it is, it's just a spin up, but still.
Scud, or I don't see it rotating violently, but it's still far away.
So you see you've got the one to the left of the stack and then the one to the right of the stack. The one to the right of the stack. Zoom in on the base, see if you can see rotation. The one right there at the end of the road.
Yeah.